In relationships, the most powerful thing you can say is nothing at all. Because silence isn't weakness, it's control. And if you master it, you'll never beg, never chase, and you'll always have the upper hand. Today, we are breaking down the psychology of silence, how it can completely shift the balance in your relationship, stop manipulation in its tracks, and make the other person respect you more than ever. Most people think relationships are all about communication, talking things out, explaining your feelings. But what if I told you, talking too much might actually be destroying your connection and lowering your value? Section 1. Why silence feels so powerful. In psychology, silence is a social disruptor. Humans are wired to avoid awkwardness, so when you go quiet, the other person feels pressure to fill the gap. In relationships, this creates emotional imbalance. They start wondering, are they upset? Did I do something wrong? Why aren't they reacting? This uncertainty forces them to pay attention to you, because you've just taken away something they expect. Constant verbal reassurance. Example: imagine your partner starts an argument, expecting you to fire back instantly. Instead, you sit quietly, listening. No reaction. That silence hits harder than any comeback, because now they're fighting their own thoughts, not you. Section 2. Silence as a weapon, not an escape. A lot of people misunderstand silence. They think it means avoiding conflict or shutting down. Real power silence is intentional. You're not avoiding, you're choosing when to speak. This makes your words more valuable when you do use them. Think about rare metals, gold, diamonds. They're valuable because they're scarce. Same with words. If you speak less, people listen more. Psychology insight. When you stop over-explaining yourself, you force the other person to interpret your actions instead of your words. This makes you unpredictable, and unpredictability creates intrigue, even attraction. Section 3. The emotional reset effect. In heated moments, silence buys you time to think. Most arguments escalate because people react too fast. They say things they regret. But if you train yourself to pause, you avoid emotional traps. You appear composed. And most importantly, you maintain control of the pace. Scenario: your partner says something hurtful. Instead of snapping back, you go quiet, maintain eye contact, and walk away calmly. Hours later, they're replaying the scene in their head, wondering why you didn't react. That mental replay keeps you in their mind and shifts the power dynamic. Section 4. How silence creates respect. People respect those who don't need to prove themselves constantly. In relationships, over-justifying your actions signals insecurity. Silence says, I don't need to explain. You'll understand eventually. In fact, the most respected leaders and partners in history spoke less, because they didn't need to fight for attention. In love, silence sends a clear message: my value isn't up for negotiation. Pro tip: use the silent pause technique in conversations. Before answering a question, pause for 2 to 3 seconds. This subtle delay makes your words sound more thoughtful and important. Section 5. Turning silence into attraction. Mystery is magnetic. If your partner knows exactly what you're thinking at all times, there's no chase, no curiosity. Silence forces them to wonder. That wondering turns into attention, and attention is the currency of attraction. This is why, in early dating, people who text back instantly and overshare usually lose interest from the other side. Practical move. Next time you're asked a personal question, don't rush. Smile, look them in the eye, and answer simply, or sometimes not at all. Leave space for curiosity to grow. Section 6. When silence backfires. Silence can be powerful, but it can also be toxic if misused. If you go completely cold and emotionally unavailable, you risk pushing the other person away permanently. The key is controlled silence, paired with presence. You're not ghosting, you're not stonewalling, you're selectively engaging. Section 7. How to train yourself to use silence. Control your urge to fill space. Practice sitting in quiet during conversations. Master your facial expressions. Stay neutral, no eye rolls or smirks. Time your responses. Delay reactions in emotional moments. Walk away strategically, not in anger, but in calm self-control. In the game of love and respect, silence is your checkmate move. It's not about shutting people out. It's about showing that you value your words, your peace, and your presence. Because the moment you master silence, you stop reacting and start leading.